What's up, gals? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new tutorial for you. It's a review. It's a review on the new Melt Cosmetics in collaboration with Beetlejuice, their new palette. I picked up both. And today, obviously, I used the waiting room on my eyes, which looks like this. So yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you plan on picking this palette up, okay? Let me know down below if you're gonna get it. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram because, you know, I be over there, I be posting, you know, I be doing stuff over there. So, you know, you should follow me if you wanna, you know, see more of me. If you don't, that's cool. I ain't gonna take no offense to it, you know. It's whatever. Make sure you turn your bell notification on because you know what, YouTube be trying to play your girl. Because I don't understand why I keep gaining new subscribers, but the views not matching though. YouTube, please show my videos to the people who decided to subscribe to me. Thank you. Yeah, let's go and get started. Okay, so let's get started. First and foremost, please ignore this. Listen. When Mother Nature comes, she decides that my face is gonna be the place where she's gonna just mess up. So you know what? Yeah, just ignore that. But anyways, so I have my brows fully filled in. I use this usual thing, y'all. Anastasia Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I primed using the Plain and Makeup by Yolando in the shade Bead. This is a Black-owned brand. So these are the two palettes. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So today I'm gonna be using this one. This is the waiting room. Like I'm super geeked to like use this, but I'll show you guys both palettes real quick. So these are the palettes. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to jump into these reds. All right, so first I'm gonna take the shade right here called Shrunken Head, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place this in. Ooh. Okay, we just starting off just bold. Okay, this is an intense gray with a lot of pigment. Usually grays, you kind of have to like build up. So, and this is a lighter gray in the palette. So I can only imagine what that deeper gray looks like. I'm really excited to see what that black look like though, because I love me a nice matte black. So last night, Meg Thee Stallion dropped her album, Good News. And let me just say it's fire, okay? This is how I know when an album is good. When I don't skip a single song. Her song Body, oh my gosh. Body, yada, yada, yada. It was irritating when I first like heard it with the music video, but it grew on me. I was at the gym, I was like, I like the song. But yeah, some of my top songs were Shots Fired because, ooh baby, that diss, love it. Sugar Baby Movie, Work That, Intercourse, and then I can really see that song Don't Rock Me to Sleep being like her like mainstream song. But yeah, I've been loving that. Also the new WizKid album, oh my gosh, that album is fire. And then I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm going to blend the top of this so that way it just isn't sitting there awkwardly with like, you know, my primer and my concealer for my brows. Okay, this is beautiful. Next, no, we'll take this one. Next, I'm gonna take this brush. This is an old brush. This is for Collection Pro number 10. This is no longer being sold, but it's pretty much just a smaller blending brush from what I'm using. And I'm gonna go into the shade Obituary, which is this shade right here. I really wanna go into this one, but I feel like it might be too dark. So I'm gonna start here because these colors are pigmented. Let's see. Melt. Like, what did we do to deserve this? Thank you. Thank you. Y'all, this color is hella intense. Like, this is a shade that I will see myself using outside of this palette. Like, I will literally grab this palette for these like deeper burgundy shades. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Y'all, do y'all see this? So I'm gonna use the same exact brush and I'm just gonna go into the shade called No Exit. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna use the same brush. So I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go into the shade No Exit. I just wanna see like how deep this shadow even goes. It goes dark. I'm loving this. I am loving this. Yada 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 yada. I cannot stop singing that song. So there is Kick Up in the Pan, like, but that's standard with Melt shadows. But they give you pigment. Does anybody know what streaming service I can find Beetlejuice on? Because I want to go back and watch a movie. Like, I used to watch a movie all the time when I was a kid, and I have not watched it in years. And this palette is bringing back so much of those memories, and I want to watch it. Okay, so we're not cutting the crease today. We're not going to be cutting the crease. I'm just going to pop something on the lid, and I think I want to take, ooh, I'm torn between Lydia and Saw Girl. I'm torn between this red and this shade right here. I think I want to do the red. I think I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna first take it with a brush, see how that applies, and then I feel like I might end up just taking my finger, but yeah. Oh, yes. Yes, this is pretty. I don't know if I want to do an inner corner highlight, because I want to see what that Juno shade looks like. I might do an inner corner highlight, but let me just start with this red and put this all over. This is absolutely stunning. Let me take my finger and just kind of like bring this up a little bit higher. And then I'm gonna go in with my brush and like blend the crease color with this red a little bit better. And I'm just gonna go back with my brush that has the leftover of those two dark shades I was working with and just blend this. All right, you guys, so this is the eye look for the most part pretty much done. Let me just say I am in love. Like, I'm in love with the way these shadows went on. This was a very, very easy and fast look for me to do. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera, do the rest of my face, throw some lashes on, and then I'll be back to give you guys swatches of this palette and my thoughts on it. So yeah, I'll be back like in seconds. All right, you guys, so I am back, and I went a little bit dark with the lip. I'm wearing the Colored Rain there Tootsie, but before we get into that, I want to go back into this eyeshadow. So I left my bottom shadow undone. So I'm gonna go into the shade No Exit, and I'm gonna first put that down all here, and then I'm gonna go over it with the black shade called Charmin. I want to watch this movie tonight. I'm currently filming, this is late, currently filming this video at 7:30 at night, and I'm gonna edit it today. But it won't be up until like next week. Today is Friday. But it's probably gonna be up the day that this palette launches on the 25th. Okay, so this is dark on it. Oh my gosh, like, listen, all my chocolate girls who love colorful makeup, this is for you. Like, this is for you. Like, this palette is so pigmented. It has so much range. It's dark, and I'm here for this. Like, I hate feeling like I'm swirling into a pan to get something to pay off, or you know how I normally like to do my eyeshadow, where I like, you know, stamp it down first and then go back and blend. Like, I didn't have to do this. Like, I was able to layer these shadows on top of each other and they were still pigmented. But yes, I'm gonna go into the black in the palette. And I'm gonna take this really thin brush. This is by Morphe. This is the M432. And I'm just gonna like smudge this down here. I'm not really gonna be able to see like the true intensity of this shadow. Ooh, not really. Like, I'm not really gonna be able to see how dark it can go because I'm not doing it on my lid. But I mean, from what I'm like putting here so far, oh, wow. Actually, no, you can see it. You can see it. Y'all see the difference between the side that has a black and no black? Oh my gosh. Like, I'm happy that I bought this, and I can't wait to see how pigmented the other palette is, because the shades are a little bit lighter, unlike this one, which is really dark. Oh my gosh. This black is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush by Sephora. This is the Pro Shadow 15. And I'm gonna go into the shade Juno, which is a silver in the palette, the silver shimmer. And I'm just gonna like pop this right here. Let's see how, this is like a little flaky in the pan, and it's not really picking up on the brush. You know, no. I don't want this to get all like, you know, everywhere. So I'm gonna take a setting spray to go ahead and kind of like compact that shade, if that makes sense, so that way it doesn't like glitter everywhere, because I'm already getting like fallout and I haven't even like put this shadow down. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I have to blend it a little bit more, but that is absolutely stunning. Like, that is a pretty shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some bottom mascara. This is the Fenty Beauty Her mascara. Alrighty, so this is the completed look, and Oh my gosh, I am in love with this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this entire palette for you guys, okay? All right, so these are the swatches of the shadows, and they are actually different. Like, I know some people have said that these shades are very similar when swatched. I think they actually look different. And let me just say, I didn't have to dig in the pan to get them to swatch like this. So they swatch very nice on their own. So this is the palette, and let me just say, this is absolutely gorgeous. I didn't struggle to get any of these shades to swatch. Now I will say, let me put this in the center so y'all can see it better because it's not focusing. Now this shade Juno, it's crumbly. It's the only shadow in here that I'm not too crazy about. Like, the color is beautiful, but as you guys see, even when I applied it on, it was like flaky, and I had to spray the brush that way. It will kind of like, you know, it will get the shimmers in. I don't know what the word I'm trying to use is, but I didn't want it to be flaking everywhere. So the spray kind of helped the shadows stay in place so that way I could place them down easier. So yes, it is flaky and crumbly, but I mean, that's not a shade that I normally would even grab, so it really doesn't matter. Reds and the burgundies in this palette, oh my goodness, they are absolutely gorgeous. And if any of you guys, like myself, missed out on the Muerte palette, it was their palettes, the two palettes that they released last year, the one with the blue and the burgundy shades. If any of you guys missed out on that, the Muerte palette, I think I got it. I would highly recommend you getting this because these two shades right here look very similar. That's the only reason why I wanted to bring that palette back, is for those shades, because I love me a nice dark burgundy shade. And this black, this black is fire. Like, it's hot up in here. No, it's literally hot up in here. Like, I need to turn my fan on, but I don't want the noise to mess with my, you know. But anyways, I absolutely love this palette. This palette right here retails for $58. This will be releasing on the 25th, which is gonna be the day that I'm gonna be posting this video. It will be available at Sephora. It will be available at Beauty Bay, and obviously the Melt website. Melt is gonna have the entire collection, but if you want the palettes, I believe just Sephora and Beauty Bay are only gonna be getting the palettes, if I'm right. They're not gonna be getting the entire collection, so yeah, stay tuned. I'm pretty sure literally the next day that you guys, after you guys see this video will be up. So, because I'm gonna film with this tomorrow morning, so yeah, and I'm gonna get them all edited, pre-recorded and everything. So yes, and can we talk about the packaging? Oh, nobody has done this, but let me do this. They are the same size, you guys, because like no one holds them up together. I don't know why I cared, and I was like, y'all please hold them together so I can see they're the same size. But yes, even though you get less shades in here, this one is $48 by the way, even though you get less shades in here, it is the same size. Yes, and then the earrings are from Shein. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. And that's the next one. I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.